Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we are gonna do a quick and in-depth review of ClonesOutlet.com. So this is basically an online shopping platform that offers various products and the replica of the original ones. So this also raises concerns about its quality and the authenticity, because they're offering the replica on just the fraction of actual prices of these products. As you can see that they're offering a MacBook Pro from 108 to 122 euros, and the actual MacBook costs around 800 euros. So this is a red flag. And if you look at the reviews that are available in the form of testimonials on their website, they all are 5 stars, but we cannot trust those reviews because we cannot actually check if those are the actual reviews from the customers. And they claim that they have 100% secure payment, but let's find out what is actually behind those fancy promises. As you can see, the Clones Outlet has a 3.1 out of 5 stars rating on the Trustpilot website, and it is based on 20 reviews. So this is a slightly good rating. But if we try to look and dive deeper about this website, so they have a 75 trust score and their global rank is way far, so which is a major red flag and raises concern about the authenticity of this website and their originality. So in conclusion, I would say that you should not buy the products from this website, like the product that cost very much higher. So I hope this review was helpful for you, and if you guys want me to review any other product, just do let me know in the comments below. And I hope this review was helpful. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.